In 1994, 18-year-old Jafferd Tucker was shot and killed. The only suspect was his friend, Muhammad Bilal El-Amin. Amin managed to escape arrest and disappeared for 28 years, leaving Tucker's family devastated. All hope was lost for resolution in the case until 2022, when Oconee County Deputy Devan Blair was on patrol doing random vehicle registration checks. When one car came up as having an expired registration, she had no idea that this routine stop would bring closure to a decades-old murder.
Unfortunately, I'm going to have to...
El-Amin has given the police his name as Rais Sekam, which not only was false, but taken from a suspended South Carolina driver's license.
Sir, I did not know. I have children, I have a sick uncle, and I run the household.
I got you.
No, I really do.
You don't have a choice at this time.
Please
so we're
put
placing you
Auntie...
in arrest. Go ahead and turn around and put your hands behind your back, please.
Please put
Turn
Auntie
around
on the
put your hands
phone.
behind your back. Who set the phone up on the car?
They put me under arrest right now. I don't know.
For driving with suspended license?
Driving with suspended license. I didn't know. And it's not even showing.
Unfortunately, the law is different here in Georgia than it is in South Carolina. If you have a suspended license, you have to go down to the jail and get booked in.
Oh, but sir, can you speak to my aunt? She has.
We're on speakerphone. She can hear us right now.
No, please speak to her.
Yeah.
Please speak to her. I'm the only one that can help with my uncle that's sick in ICU right now.
I'm sorry about that. Unfortunately, your son.
Please, sir.
You're driving a car without valid insurance.
My son.
You got that taken care of. But you're already driving a car without valid insurance.
I won't drive.
Registration.
My cousin.
You can't trust me not to drive.
No, I swear to you, I'll walk away from my car.
So we're gonna walk you back to this other car.
Please, sir.
We're gonna walk you to my partner's car. Come on.
Sir, come on. Please, my aunt is old. She's 80 years old. Sir, please.
You have anything on
I will not. I swear, you can.
me?
Please check me.
Okay.
Please check everything on
I'm
me.
gonna search you incident to arrest.
Huh?
See which is emergency 911?
Yeah.
Face towards that for me.
Okay, sir.
Separate your feet out
Okay,
for me
sir.
a little bit. Nothing in your pockets, right?
Sir, please.
What all do you need out of your car?
Sir, I have a child at the house that they cannot take care of.
What all do you need out of your car?
Sir, I beg you. I beg of y'all. I will not touch my car. You can take my keys out.
What all do you need out of your car?
I don't need my family. That's it. I do for my entire car. I do for my... I do
seat for me.
Sir,
easiest way is to turn your face towards me and then sit down in the seat. Slide your legs in.
Sir, I do for my entire family.
Okay.
Do you know
I don't have a choice here, man. I'm telling you.
I told you I was not going to get in my car. I swear to you, I wasn't going to get in my car.
You have a suspended license. You're driving a car without insurance. You've got that taken care of.
I've been doing it every
day.
day.
Suspended registration. You have to go down to the jail and get booked in. Just take your photograph. They're going to take your fingerprints. They'll give you a bond amount. You can bond out, and then you can get on the way up to the hospital. But you can't drive.
Sir,
so have a seat for me, please.
Okay, may I speak after you?
Have a seat for me, please.
Are you going to
sit down, and then I'll listen to you. Okay, so what do you want to tell me?
On everything, my aunt just had a stroke. My uncle just had a stroke 2.5 weeks ago. I'm here helping my family. I don't even know who can come and bond me out. I don't even know who can come and bond me out. I'm not a criminal. I'm not a crook. Look how old I am.
Did you get a ticket or something?
I didn't get
take care of it. I mean, why would they suspend your license in South Carolina?
I just found out speaking to the deputy.
Yeah.
I just found out that maybe when we had a car that I had that got repossessed, that I didn't take my name off of it.
Okay. I wouldn't imagine that they'd suspend you for a repossession.
But that's what I'm saying. But it's no information's coming up. I won't drive. I'll have my cousin.
Can you slide your legs in for us?
You're not going to speak to me?
No, unfortunately, I told you. I've already explained my position to you.
Oh, this hurts.
I don't have a choice.
Sir, sir.
Okay, so the way you're sitting right now is not a good position. You're a tall guy. You got long legs. Can you slide your knees over this way and sit at an angle? You gotta move your knee.
My wrist, this is really tight on my wrist.
Okay, I'll check it right now. I'm gonna come to the other side. Watch your knee.
So, Keem, I'm putting your headphones in your little black pouch.
Man, y'all gotta please make sure my aunt is okay. She's 80 years old. She's 80 years old. I see for the whole house. I shop. I do everything for the house.
Do you need anything else out of your car?
Just know that can you speak to my aunt? She just
You have excuse.
Just speak to my aunt because I do everything for the house. I
Okay.
shop. I do everything. My son is there. He's only 13 years old. He does not know what's going on. This is I don't can you let my cousin know wherever it is I'm going? Could you let them know where it is they're buying me?
Yeah, so when you get there, you'll be able to call them.
How can I call them?
When they book you in, they'll give you some phone calls, so you can call them.
Yeah,
All right?
Yes, because I don't.
El-Amin's reaction is disproportionate to the crime. In most cases, it usually only results in a fine. Knowing he is going to be fingerprinted, his panic is understandable.
You can get in and get out, all right?
I can get in and get out?
Yeah, like they'll book you in. If you have somebody that can bond you out, you have a preset bond, so you can bond out of jail. You don't have to wait to see a judge.
Well, how much is that?
I'm not quite sure. They'll give it to you when we get there, okay? We'll work with you, all right? We'll try to get you out as quick as possible.
Man, my uncle is sick.
All right, well, the quicker we get to jail, the quicker you can get out, okay?
Doors are all locked, all the windows are up.
All right, cool. What is it?
I've never been to jail in my entire
Okay, all right. It'll be fine, I promise.
Then
All
why
right.
am I here?
All right, we got to get you to the jail.
Call me after.
All right. Oh, 850. $36 in Oconee. Show me a route to the jail. Going mail 1095, beginning miles when ready.
Go ahead.
98703.
98703. 10-4. One thirty two, 3860, 10-4. Returns no want on a Cheryl Street at a Walkinsville, High Valley.
It's not gonna I don't know like that if it was a problem.
Go ahead.
I'm getting from here in Monroe to North 34 and 32.
10-1. 3432, Kennedy, we're gonna
I hear ya.
increase shut down this plant while we were
You never know if that was a problem. I still
10-4.
I just have to go by what the law states, okay?
But I'm not even, as you can hear my tone and my sound.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not from around here. I'm helping my family.
I believe you. I believe you are helping your family. But at the end of the day, I have a job I have to do.
Doing your job. We're not trying to fight you.
And I appreciate you being cooperative, okay?
I'm afraid because my uncle is in the ICU, and I'm the only one that goes and checks him.
Okay.
I'm the only one that sees my household. I take care of my 13-year-old son there, my cousin who is 60 years old, her mother who's 80 years old. I do all the runs for the house. I do all the cooking. I do all the cleaning. I don't even know how my cousin who's visiting.
Once El-Amin's fingerprints were run, it came back with a hit from the Atlanta Police Department for the fugitive warrant that they had on him from Tucker's murder. In February 2023, El-Amin was indicted for felony murder and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. He is currently awaiting trial.